am Genie. In this video, I will tell you only 4 exclusive foods to remove spectacle. These foods really work 100%. Let's list those 4 foods. Number 1. Almonds. Almonds contain vitamin E. Consuming regular amounts of vitamin E can help to prevent age-related macular degeneration as well as cataracts. Number 2. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds dilate blood vessels in the eye, thus prevents from glaucoma, retinopathy, vision loss in diabetics, and other eye problems. Number 3. Magaz Seeds. There are a lot of health benefits of Magaz Seeds. Major is to improve eye health. Number 4. Mishri. Mishri is a kind of sugar, but it has many health benefits. Major benefits of it is eye's health improvement. Take all these foods, almonds, fennel seeds, Mazaz seeds and Mishri, in equal weight, grind and mix them in a good manner, and save in a jar. Eat full spoon of it, morning time on empty stomach, and night time before going to bed with a glass of milk. I got eye improvement by using this remedy, so I am sharing with you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe it for latest videos.